friends, I'm your friend Takshil Yadav, and today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is an earthquake. Earthquake occurs very frequently in India. It occurs at many places. We might think, how does this happen? Now I'm going to show you how it happens. Let's start. Suppose I'm drawing a rough diagram. Suppose this is the earth. The earth is made up of joint plate-like things that make up the earth. Let me first draw. You can see it can be like this. We go, and there are many plates more in the earth. Now one of these, each part is a tectonic plate. Each part is a tectonic plate. Now what are tectonic plates? Tectonic plates are the plates which all together when joined make up the earth. And the earthquake which occurs at the edges of these tectonic plates. Now you might think how? So let's see. Just another part, and here we go. Suppose this is the plate, one tectonic plate of the earth, and this is the second. Now when an earthquake occurs, there is some movement in this part which causes the earthquake and the seismic waves to move. Now some earthquakes can be very small. They can be very small, not in size, but in their frequency. Such that they might not be felt by us. But some can be very strong and cause destruction everywhere. Yes. So these plates glide over each other. Like this one goes up, then down, again up, then down. And this one goes back and forth, again back and forth, back and forth. This whole process continues until the earthquake ends. And the earthquake ends when these plates stop moving. Sorry. And when these plates stop moving, as I was telling, the earthquake stops. Now what are the waves which travel in the earthquake called? These waves are called the seismic waves. The seismic waves. In our diagram, where is the place of the origin of the seismic waves? That is called the focus. We can understand it in such one. These are the tectonic plates. Now the earthquake suppose will occur here. So this point is called the focus, and the seismic waves from here will travel in all directions. These are the seismic waves which will travel in all directions. Here, 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 here. In all directions and cause destruction. The point just above the focus. Here, the point just above the focus, meaning this point or we can say this point. This point is called the epicenter. What is it called? It is called the epicenter. And the place, like you can understand in this way, this is the place where the two tectonic plates meet, or we can say in this. So suppose if it occurs here, so this place, or we can say this or this or this, these places are known as the faults. What are they called? They are called the faults. Yeah, they are called the faults. Now, what are the types of seismic? Now, we'll discuss about the types of seismic waves. There are mainly three types of seismic waves, that are P waves or primary waves, S waves or secondary waves, and the third one is surface waves. P waves. They are the first one to arrive and have a speed of 6 kilometers per second. And do not cause much destruction. S waves or secondary waves. These waves arrive after P waves, but their effect is not observed in water, and they cause a bit more destruction than P waves. Surface waves are the last one to arrive. Their effect is not observed at great depths, and they cause the most destruction in the three types of waves. They are at the top in destruction, and P waves they produce least destruction. Now comes how can we measure an earthquake. The only way to measure an earthquake is through a seismograph with an Richter scale. Seismograph and a Richter scale. Richter scale was designed by Charles Richter. He was an American seismologist. Seismologists are the scientists that study about earthquakes. And seismograph is the instrument used to measure the intensity of earthquakes. It is a bit of this type. You can see this is a stand, and this is the bottom. Here I will set a pace in a rolling state, and here I will hang a pencil. Now when an earthquake will occur, it will shake and in such a manner back and forth and create designs on this seismograph. Actually they are not designs. It shows the intensity of the earthquake, which is then checked on the Richter scale, and if it was above 6, if it was 6 or above, it was destructive, and if below 6, then it was not that much destructive. So this was the whole analysis of this topic. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.